Hello, this is Mr. Win, and this video is over solving quadratics with the square root method. So another method to solve quadratic equations besides factoring and zero product property is the square root method. This method can only be used if the equation has an x squared term and no x term. Here are the three steps. 1. Get x squared by itself. 2. Square both sides. 3. Simplify. Don't forget the plus minus sign when solving. So first, let's review simplifying radicals. So if I give you the square root of 360, it's not a nice whole number. You're going to figure out what times what is 360. So you're going to break it down. You cannot use 1. So 360, there's a lot of options. You do 2 and 180 because it's even. You can do 4 and 90, 10 and 36, whatever you want. But when you break it down, the 360 is gone. 2 is prime, so I leave it alone. 180 is not. 180, I'll do 2 times 90. And the 180 is gone. For 90, 90 is not prime. I'm breaking down. Instead of doing 2 times 45, I'll do 9 times 10. That's less work overall. The closer the numbers are. 9 is not prime. I'm breaking down. 9 is 3 and 3. 9 is gone. 10 is not prime, I break it down. That's 2 times 5, and the 10's gone. Here are all my prime numbers. I'm going to circle my pairs. There's a pair of 2s, pair of 3s, now left over 2, left over 5. Pairs go outside, non-pairs stay inside the radical. So 2 and 3 go outside, 2 times 5 stays inside. Multiply the outsides, multiply the insides. Final answer is 6 root 10. I did type in the calculator to show you that the square root of 360 is equivalent to 6 root 10. They're the same decimal value. Alright, here's example 2. Solve 2x squared minus 50 equals 0. So first, get x squared by itself. I'm going to move the 50 over by adding it. Then I'm going to move the 2 over by dividing. Then I'm going to square both sides. Square root of 25 is obvious, so it's just 5, no work needed. But don't forget the plus minus sign. A lot of kids forget the minus sign. There are two answers here. Here's an alternate method, factoring. You know to GCF the 2, then different squares, x, 5, plus minus. Set each factor equals 0. For the first one, I subtract 5, get negative 5. For the second one, I add 5, get positive 5. So there's two answers here. So this factor method is actually a little safer for the kids that forget the plus minus sign. Here's example 3. 2x squared equals 720. Get x squared by itself by dividing by 2. Then square both sides. Square root of 360 is not obvious. You must show the work. So here's that stuff from problem 1. I have 2 pairs, 2 leftovers. Pairs go outside, leftovers go inside. Multiply the outsides, multiply the insides. So here, final answer is x equals plus or minus 6 root 10. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Bye.